You must have that understanding and feel yourself close to God. Have that pride also, that I belong to God, God belongs to me. A kind of fearlessness dawns with your identity. And though we have little capacity to change this world or do anything, how many people, how many saints, how many avatars came and went? The world remains the same. Each soul which aspires for higher life evolves and reaches the goal. How beautifully we evolve. And last what we see is God has become all this. A play was going on. A divine play was going on, like it is God's dream going on, in which we are all there. In our dream, we see so many people. When we wake up, only mind is there. Like that, when we realize God alone is there, it was as if God's dream was going on. One person used to go to Guru. Somehow, in his college days, he found a Guru in his life. And he used to go. Guru used to tell him, see, man's efforts are very little it can do in the world. It is of no significance. Human efforts are of no significance. And his father was a historian and believer in the modern developments of science and technology. There used to be argument between father and son. Father will ask, why are you wasting your time going and sitting there with closed eyes? He used to say to father, why are you wasting time in reading history and rating history? My Guru says, human efforts have very little to contribute to the world. Then the argument is, one day, father walks to his Guru, and asks, does our efforts not rewrite the history? Guru says, certainly. Then he asks, will we not be able to, are we not progressing in science and technology and history is changing? He says, certainly. But why are you teaching your disciples? Very little man's efforts will be there. It has very little effect. Because even if there is no wind, if there is no breeze, the leaves do fall off when winter comes. There need not be any wind or breeze. The leaves fall off without any efforts. Like that, history, historians, everything will be washed away when flood comes. There we see how many times the human race was erased. Mohenjo-daro and Harappa, we found 20 kilometers below or so. The earth. What all we do, efforts, everything will be washed away in no time. So, yet, man has unique capacity and infinite potential to transcend the nature and go beyond, to enter into the life eternal. Yes, that is the only thing. And by grace of God, we are on that path. We are on the track. The track leads us. Have faith, have confidence.